Here we have a 1997 Premier Sunrise, 24 foot. It's going to be getting redecked. Shag carpet's going to go. It's going to get new flooring. Right now it has a 40 horsepower Honda, 2001 4-stroke. Sitting on a 2012 double axle trailer. I've loosened these seats already. They're just held down with Phillips 3 screws. Previous owner has already taken them out and reinstalled them. They had that flooring down at one point. There's our Honda. We will take the rails off, take all the upholstery out, strip the floor down, and then we will order some new flooring from Canada Pontoons.
But each new day has no mistakes in it.
The rail is just connected with a 7/16 nut. Those aren't screws, those are buttons. They used as screws. This is why you don't put indoor carpet on a pontoon boat. Good thing is it's all aluminum underneath. Those look like hooks from the factory to lift her up. Take good old Reliable off. Give her a wash. And this is why you don't put indoor vinyl on. It's gonna be done right. So I want to make note, this is where they started a full sheet. So 1, 2, 3, 4 full sheets, and then quarter sheet, and half sheet. Weird. And now it's going to be a lot easier to get all the steering cables and all the wires out. It's all just right here. The floor is ready to come off. Well, first we'll take the steering helm off, the engine off first. It's tomorrow's project.